Hello, everyone. Thanks for coming to my final presentation on Regimen, an app for people interested in skincare. Some fun facts about me. I am currently a UX student at Ironhack, and I like to befriend woodland creatures. These are some of the things I'll be talking about today. So some business goals include rebranding skincare to be more welcoming, creating a tool for people who need help with their skincare routines, and of course, monetization. So the first step was to conduct this exercise that helped me come up with some initial hypotheses for testing. So for example, people interested in skincare can make informed, confident purchasing decisions with user reviews. And I will know if I'm successful or if I fail with metrics such as new signups, repeat purchases, and referrals or net promoter score. I conducted a survey on my targeted users, and I got 353 respondents. So in general, they're interested in adjusting or adding to their routine. They're influenced by customer reviews. They care about whether or not a product is effective or not, and they're interested in recording products that they've used before. So their top goals are pretty much split between these three, and these are their major pain points. I also conducted some interviews, 2 of my classmates and also 11 people on skincare-related subreddits. And some of the quotes that I got from these interviews include users talking about how products don't work, or not understanding ingredients labels and not sure if specific ingredients will cause a negative reaction. Next, I looked at tools and resources that people reported using when making skincare product purchases, and just looked at the different features that they had, so to get an idea of what their mental model was and what their expectations were, and also to find opportunities for different features. Then I made this market positioning map, and I wanted my product to be something that was accessible and also androgynous instead of very feminine. And I think there's a very big gap in that market. Next, I created an affinity diagram to synthesize all the data that I've gathered. And I found that the top gains included improving skincare routine, filtering out specific ingredients, and acquiring relevant information and confidence from customer reviews. And that the top pains were efficacy, trying to figure out what reviews or influencers to trust, and also understanding ingredients labels and what's in a product and does this work and will it actually cause a bad reaction or not. Then I created a user persona to put a face to the data, and so Nicole is someone who wants to address her skin concerns and her skin issues, and she's looking to improve her routine with products that are effective and have trustworthy ingredients. Her needs include relevant information and confidence from customer reviews and an easy way to track products that she's previously used. I also created a secondary user persona to represent a smaller but highly correlated segment of my data, and Nathan is someone who is like someone who's newer to skincare, and I think it's important to keep someone like him in mind while developing my product. Next, I created a user journey to provide context for Nicole's major pain points prior to making a purchase, and to understand opportunities for engagement. And these are the top pains that she experiences, which includes checking ingredients, sorting through lots of reviews, and logging products that she's tried before. Also, I was really surprised by how many interviewees said they keep track of products in a spreadsheet. Just wanted to throw that out there. Next is ideation, and I came up with a lot of different feature ideas after asking myself questions like, how might we make ingredients information more accessible, and how might we make customer reviews more engaging. Then I organized my feature ideas in using a Moscow method and considering impact versus effort. And I determined the minimum viable product in these top two boxes up here. And those are the features that I think are necessary for my product to be functional. So basically, I wanted to make an app to track and rate products for people who are looking to improve their skincare routine, kind of like Goodreads or Foursquare for skincare products. So then I did a paper prototype, and I conducted usability tests, and then I made improvements in the wireframe. So this is just an example. And here's another example of a major change that I did. And then I looked at other competitors or other brands to see what other brands are doing in terms of design. And I kept track of atomic elements I was using as I was making my app to keep a consistent look and feel. And now for the prototype. So when you open the app, it takes you to the splash page and then this kind of a news feed. And you can also browse product reviews by product category and concerns. You can also filter, and yes, and then you can sort by different things or choose price ranges. You can toggle on and off different preferences, and you can also search for a specific product or not, and you can also access your user profile, which has additional features that are yet to come. And then we're going to select a product, and this is the product page. You can save, review, or share this product. And this first page shows highlights, such as key ingredients and review highlights. And it also shows more additional information, like how to use the product, more information on ingredients, and I'm gonna skip ahead a little. And then here's the reviews. So you can see individual reviews and upvote them or downvote them depending on how useful they are. And that's it. So how do all right. These are my next steps, and I'll know if this product is successful or not with these metrics. Thank you.